English with Patharaja.
Activity 1. Match correctly. Here you have given the capital letters. Here this side, this column. Here simple letters. Now read out K, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, A. Now see here simple A, simple J, simple H, simple K, simple G, simple B, simple D, simple F, simple E, simple C, simple I. Right. Now let's match. K, simple K. B, simple B. Now see here. B, simple B. Right? C, simple C. E, simple E. F, simple F. G, simple G. H, simple H. C, I, simple I. J, simple J here. Simple J. A, simple A. Put the answer in word. Now say 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Yes, altogether 6. 5 plus 5. 10. Altogether 10. 2 plus 1. 3. Altogether 3. 7 plus 2. Altogether 9. 4 plus 2. 6. Altogether 6. 3 plus 1. Altogether 4. Activity 3. Rearrange the letters. Now see the letters. E, T, N. Right? Here we can make the word T, A, N. Ten. Here I, V, F, E. Here now see word F, E, V, A. Fire, fire. Here N, O, E, O, N, E, O, N, A. One, one. Here H, T, I, G, E. Right, now see the number word. Right, now see E, I, G, H, T. Number 8. E, I, G, H, T. 8. Now see O, W, T. Right. Here number word T, W, O. 2. 2. Here number word X, I, S. Here see S, I, X. 6. Number 6. Right?
Hey kids and parents, please subscribe for more learning and fun videos.